Is this the kind of weather that you bought this car for?
Yes, exactly. I can be a cool mom in the summer.
We are on our way to go get the brakes fixed, right?
Yes.
We remember them last winter when they were squeaking like crazy, right?
Yes.
All right. Let's do a quick test. You're going to stop here at the end of the alley. Tell me what a brake pedal feels like. Can we tell a difference?
Okay.
Go for it. Not squeaking. That's
Not
good.
Squeaking. I mean, it's a little soft, a little squishy, but not too bad. But they're only at 20%, correct?
20%.
Yeah.
Go up ahead at about 30 miles an hour, or the speed limit. Yeah, the speed limit is 30 miles an hour up here. And then put on the brakes hard. Let's see what we notice. All right, like you had to stop for an emergency because a cat just ran in front of you. All right, stop on it. All right.
Still pretty good.
Still pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, let's see how that's going to be compared.
I know, I'm curious to see like what it's like.
She puts it in a drive with the new brakes.
Oh, new brakes. We're just leaving the shop, leaving gear up.
All right.
And I'm gonna try the brakes out over here. Oh yeah, much tighter.
Much tighter?
Yeah.
That was a pretty lame stop, so.
Just it stops like instant.
And stop. Ah! That was pretty good. My first time with the brakes, and we'll just give it a little.
Oh.
Oh yeah, no, it's totally different. Eh?
Really?
Oh yeah, no, it was squishy before. It was like super squishy. Now, okay, this is what I mean.
Oh.
That's what I mean. Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Oh dear. Oh! Why would you do that?
Because that's what brakes do. That car couldn't do that before. We got the brakes flushed, right?
Yep.
And then we also got Brembo brake pads, and we also got rotors. And let's take a look at it. Blah blah blah. We'll add up to the very, very bottom. It was like $750. So, you know, those are just the front brakes, but it was pretty well a couple hours labor, and then the rest was parts. But the difference in braking was great because I could tell immediately that this car could stop, like everybody talked about when I read it online, and that's what I've noticed was that suddenly we have a car that stops as well as it goes. And it's always nice to have.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks, guys.